Theodore, stop this madness. It's not too late. Shut up. Less talking and more action. You underestimate the strength of the earth, Jago. Far more than your fleet and lightning. I'm not underestimating anything, Theodore. I'm just getting started. Impressive speed. I don't need to outrun it. I just need to outmatch it. You're making this interesting, Theodore. It's time to end this. I agree, Jago. See who's left standing. With my power, Theodore, the power to bend reality itself to my will. I agree, Jago. See who's left standing.